Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a spatula ready. A small bowl for whisking will also be very helpful for this simple recipe. Now let's prepare the eggs. Crack your eggs into the bowl, then add the milk or cream, salt, and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is well combined and looks a little frothy. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove and add 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Heat it over medium-low heat until the butter is melted and shimmering. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked egg mixture into your heated pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan. This allows the uncooked egg to flow underneath, creating those lovely soft curds. Keep gently folding the eggs until they are mostly set but still look slightly moist and creamy. This is key for perfect scrambled eggs. Remove them from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking, as they will continue to cook a little from residual heat. Serve them right away on toast or with your favorite sides. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.